Hi, Georg here from Cook Like a German, and today we have state number 9. It's actually Niedersachsen, and it's actually the place where I went to high school and my first university. It's a Dutch border. It's very flat, no mountains, so I used to use my racing bike, my bicycle, and drive over to Holland and buy stuff and came back and also used to drive all over the place there. And people don't know, it is the biggest Spargel industry in Germany, with 25 to 30% of all Spargel, asparagus made in Germany or grown in Germany. And that's why I decided to make a dish, what is Spargelsalat with Schweineschnitzel, with pork schnitzel. And you will see this down the road this week on my YouTube channel, the whole recipe. And Germany, especially Niedersachsen, I spent many years there, and I know the areas. They have a Spargel Street. 450 miles long, all to do with Spargel. Spargel Museum, so Asparagus Museum. There's a lot of stuff going on. So I'm very familiar with it as Spargelzeit, like the time where you eat the Spargel. Starts in April, goes to June, July, and nowadays you can stretch it out. And we have the white one, the green one, and the purple one. The white one and the green one are the same asparagus, and the white one is just under the ground, never sees the sun, while the green is coming out and sees the sun and becomes green. And the purple one, what you you don't really see here very much, is actually the white one. It pokes out and gets the sun and protects itself with the purple color. And that's very interesting Spargel, and the recipe is very common in Niedersachsen and very tasty. I hope you check it out this week.